Hey, so have some of you wondered what exactly it means when people talk about putting my energy out into the universe? Law of attraction, ask and you shall receive. We've been feeling or seeing this or hearing about it for a long time now. And thanks to modern science, thank you, quantum physics, it is starting to make a whole lot more sense now, and we are able to make connections and better understand what exactly that means. So, Dr. Joe Dispenza, super huge fan of him, and he's helped me understand this in tremendous ways, and I want to pass it on to you all. So, I'm sure a lot of you have also seen something about the space versus matter. So, matter, everything that we're experiencing, this material world, our reality, versus space, what they have been calling empty space for a long time. Well, that empty space is the 99.9999999%. And our material world, our reality that we are experiencing is that 0.000001%. Tiny, tiny little piece. So think about that and wrap your head around that for a moment. Well, they called it empty space for a long time because they just didn't have a way to measure it and understand it. But we're now understanding that more and more as we go. And this empty space is really just this invisible realm around us of energy, frequency, information. So think about our electromagnetic field around us and how we are constantly emitting energy, frequency, carrying information, and interacting with everyone else. And that's why you can feel if someone is happy, sad, angry. You can feel someone's energy. It's literally because we have energy force fields around us and we interact with that. So when you're putting something out into the universe and you're saying, hey, I am asking for this, please give me guidance, please give me a sign, please let me put this energy out there and attract back what I want. That realm of the invisible energy and information and all that, you can call that the quantum field or the unified field. And that's what you're tapping into. It is infinite possibilities or infinite probabilities where everything, anything exists. All that information is in there. And when you can tap into that and basically speak to it, that's what's happening. So it's not silly or crazy, ridiculous to do these things. It's literally, we literally have science to back it up now and show how it works. So, and I've experienced this a lot in my life, and that's why I'm not just saying this because I've learned it, but I also experienced this, and I had something crazy happen to me yesterday, and once you allow yourself to open up and you start realizing and knowing that everything is connected, I believe that there is purpose and order and a reason to all of this. It's not just chaos, random chaos. Ask and you shall receive, honey. Do it. Just try it. Just be open-minded and put yourself out there. And what do you want? What do you want? Put it out there. Put that energy out there. Believe in it. And recognize the signs that come your way. And just for an example, because you might think like, well, how might I do that? Had an interesting day yesterday, and for me, I'll recognize repeating numbers, and then so 555 popped up for me, which was basically you're at a crossroads right now, and you need to make a choice, which I've been dealing with. I keep wanting to do so much and go for it in life, and yet keep getting scared and doubting myself and wanting to give up. It was like, hey, remember this. And then 5 minutes later, a moth comes and lands on my arm and hangs out on my arm. And I'm like, yeah, that's a sign. I'm taking that as a sign. And I look up moth symbolism, and the first thing that pops up that I find, call me crazy, whatever. I don't care. But it was about basically you're at a crossroads. Like, you are here to do something wonderful, and you've been doubting yourself, and you need to trust yourself, and you need to quit investing your emotional drama, or all your emotional energy into drama, and invest it into what you really want to do and follow that. And I was like, yes, thank you, universe, thank you. So just understand that this isn't ridiculous, that there is more and more understanding, science and studies, evidence and everything just coming out all the time explaining this. This world that we're existing is just a small little piece. This is our, third dimensional reality, but so much more exists around us. We are connected to everything. We have the ability to do so much more. So just start by knowing that. So much beauty will happen for you, love. Really. So I had to put it out there. I love this stuff. I love sharing it. I hope it made sense. I want to do more on this. So, all right, y'all. Happy Thursday. Enjoy. And all right, Rebecca, Ashley, Travis, Nelson, Rachel, Savannah. Hey guys. All right, bye.